Hey everyone, welcome back to TrikMantra. Today I'm going to show you one of the most powerful yet hidden shortcuts in Windows 11. It's called Virtual Desktops, and with just one shortcut, you can completely change the way you multitask. Simply press Windows plus Ctrl plus D, and instantly a brand new desktop is created. Think of it like opening a fresh computer screen, but inside the same PC. You can open apps, browsers, or documents here without messing up your main desktop. Imagine you're working on office files, but you also want to check YouTube or social media. Instead of mixing everything together, you can create one desktop for work and another for entertainment. This keeps your tasks organized and distraction-free. To move between desktops, just press Windows plus Control plus left or right arrow. It's smooth, fast, and perfect for switching between different projects. And if you no longer need a desktop, press Windows plus Control plus F4 to close it instantly. Don't worry, your apps don't close. They simply move back to your main desktop. So next time you want to organize your work and play, just press Windows plus Control plus D and create as many desktops as you like. It's a total game changer for productivity. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TrikMantra for more hidden Windows tricks.